Bjornsek makes contact. What happened?
Welcome. Hello guys and welcome. Today we are further testing Toyota Supra A90 aka as a Worthouse Drift Team Supra, and we'll make some further development on this car. We'll make some changes, hopefully there will be good changes simply, but to figure it out we need to just test it, put some old tires actually, because we don't want to waste very brand new ones on this occasion, and see if our changes will be taking us in a good direction simply. So we have a lot of new things actually, which I don't know if I should mention. I will. So we got a new front stabilizer, which should simply keep the car more in shape. We'll see if it will be more predictable thanks to that. We got different springs in the front and in the back. We got new power steering solution, so this hopefully will help us with the simply continuous feeling with the car, which we didn't have previously. And we will see if the simply front bite and the rear bite will change in any direction, because in which direction we still don't know. We need to test it and figure it out, but this is what we are here for today. So guys, let's put the fresh rubber on, start up the engine, warm up all the components, crucial ones, and start drive the car. I will drive the car. Yeah. For sure, man. But so far there is an improvement and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, now what's left to do is just figure out the grip. Woo! One thing's done, next thing to solve.
tylko ten? Nie, to nie ma, bo to właśnie...
What I can say? What I can say? The car
What you
is
say?
still not good.
What happened?
So guys, unfortunately we have to finish today's practice a bit earlier than expected, but fortunately we figured out all the changes that we need to make in the car to make it better. But why we have to finish the practice earlier? Because we snap the output from the differential case, so unfortunately the whole differential quick change diff needs to be replaced, probably. At least the thing which is going out with the output to the left half shaft, if I'm correct, will need to be replaced, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll figure out something quickly. For now, first of all, we need to repair the diff, and then we need to adjust again a bit some parts in the car, especially with the sway bars, and I think we are getting closer and closer. But good thing is that we've figured out the power steering. There is no problem with power steering, so that is great, that is fantastic actually. We can now focus fully on the behavior of the car. That's great. Hopefully sooner than later, but it looks like still the car is not ready for next round of Drift Masters, and definitely not in Sweden. Still not ready. We will need to spend a lot more time on developing, but we are getting there step by step, small steps, but in a good direction. Fingers crossed. After the next session we will just have small things to do, because looks like, fortunately, or maybe in our heads simply, that after these next adjustments the car will be ready for just final tweaks and ready to go, hopefully. Time will tell. We need to wait for that, and what else can I tell you? Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being so patient, and see you in the next one simply. Take care.